So guys, today we are going to see the top Chinese office romance boss employee dramas, which are very romantic, comedy and all emotions. So on number 7 we have About Is Love. In this drama we have Wei Ging like the Yan Jin's life is affected by an incident from when he was 18 years old. Even though he has become a high-ranking cooperative executive, he is unable to interact with women. He has a problem to do the interaction with women. And 10 years later, because of a drunken encounter with an 18-year-old art student named Zhou Shi, he discovered that he feels completely fine after meeting this girl. He is very comfortable with her. Then a love story between them starts after an agreement is formed between the two. The love story is formed on the agreement that is made by these two couples. And then their love relationship begins on many conditions. There are conditions made by him and other conditions made by his. So go and watch this drama and you will definitely love this drama About Is Love. On number 6 we have When a Snail Falls in Love. This is a Chinese drama and it was a hit drama when it was released. The detective Ji Bai has to train a new recruit girl, the criminal profiler Zuzu, who is great. She is great in determining the other's thought. However, she doesn't know how to interact well with people. But that's not the reason why Ji Bai intends to fire her. So he keeps her as his trainee. She is very talented in the art of profiling, yet looks in physical ability, and she run as slow as snail. But still impressed by each other abilities, the teacher-student pair slowly fall in love in the midst of their investigation, and their relationship takes a turnover. So go and watch this drama and you will definitely fall in love with this cute couple. On number 5 we have The Fox Summer. In this, The Fox Summer, the Gu Chengzi is the adopted son of old Miss Gu He. He was taken to groom her grandson Gu Gan Yu into the next year to take over the family's organization. To do so, he became Gu Chen Yun's assistant, the girl's assistant. Then he meets fashion designer Li Yanshu, who was Gu Chen Yun's ex-girlfriend and was a very important part of his life. And then Gu Zhengzi, then he recruits this girl into the company thinking it will serve as a motivation for him to work hard, as his girlfriend will be nearby him. Nevertheless, Gu Chengji also begins to fall in love with her again. But now this time this is for forever. So go and watch this drama where there is very hate, there is fat, but also there is very nice couples. On number 4 we have Boss and Me. In this, the Fang Tang is the president of big cooperative and he has a younger sister with a very rare blood type disease who needs a blood transfusion. He finds an employee at his company named Zhu Zanshan and asks her for a blood donation. Afterward, Fang Tang and his sister are indebted to Shanshan. His sister suggests sending her nutritious packed lunches so that she can recover from the blood loss and to make the thank you more personal. Shanshan has a bright and sunny personality that slowly will start to melt the Fang Tang's hearts, and he falls for her and everything. The relationship begins and everything goes okay. Love Me If You Dare. Love Me If You Dare is your number 3 and it is the drama in which the Bo In Yan is a brilliant criminal psychologist. He has the ability to get into the minds of even the most mysterious and violent criminals. He hires Ian Yo to help him with his work. She is the daughter of a veteran police investigator with a deep sense of justice. They work together to uncover a serial killer stalker that leaves calling cards for him in others' killer crime scenes. So they work hard on this case together, and Jian Yo will help Jin Yoon open up emotionally as they work together to solve the crimes, which will make them fall in love with each other and also will change him as a person, as a human being, and he will definitely fall in love with her, and so the love story begins. on number 2 we have the Go-Go Squid. The Go-Go Squid is a Chinese drama, is a romance story between an adorable singer Tong Nian and a legend in the world of professional gaming Han Xiangyang. It is one of the hit drama in the Chinese series, and it is a very popular drama which made these two actor and actress famous. And she is a brave and outgoing while he is a cold and hard to reach with her unique personality and persistent way. She began to catch his attention with her unique style, unique behavior, and he also begins to fall in love with her because of her honesty, because of her pure love. So go and watch this drama and you will definitely love this drama. And now on number 1 we have Here to Heart. It is a popular drama and the best drama. Here to Heart is a romantic Chinese drama that follows the story of Zhan and Zian, the determined CEO of a tech company. A popular tech company. He is a rich boy and he is a rich man. And it is one of the popular drama. The Venue is a career-minded woman who quits her high-paying job in England to work under the Nan Xian as his executive assistant. So she joined him as an executive assistant. She is going back to comfort her past after breaking up with the Nianjin 7 years ago while they were still studying. So they were the couples before, but now they are broken couple and the relationship has been ended before 7 years old. When Neon is determined not only to help the Nanjian at work but also to rekindle the love that they lost. So they both want to do something, and so go and watch this drama and you will come to know how they overcome their breakupness and how they real and again fall in love with each other. And this is for how they fall in love with each other again, and this time forever. So go and watch all the drama that I have recommended. All these drama are worth watching and their number are worth watching, and you will definitely love each and every drama in this list. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Until then, take care.